Hi YouTube. Today I thought I'd show you my bedroom plants. Um, let's start with this Golden Dust Croton. Now I have this one since last year. And when I got it, it was in maybe a 2-inch pot. So she's doing good. I've gotten, this month, I got a watermelon peperomia. And as you can see, she's got a lot of little leaves in there. She's doing good. And here I have a rescue from Lowe's. It had maybe 6 leaves in it and they were all dead. So I trimmed off the leaves and um, have these 2 left, and so far so good. Over here we have a Sansevieria, my snake plant, and as you can see, it has the yellow variegation on the outside of the leaf. Here is my Brazil philodendron. Up there I have a philodendron that I propagated from my larger one that's in my living room. I've propagated maybe 8 or 9 plants from that one plant. Over here I have my 3 air plants. Right here I have a spider plant that I've had since last year. It was really small last year. I just recently repotted it and took a couple of the plants to make new plants. Here's another propagation from that mother philodendron. Here's my fiddle leaf fig I just recently got. Here is my basically all green snake plant. Up here I am propagating some snake plants, and this little bathtub comes from Bed Bath & Beyond. I got it from the thrift store for $1. Here is my anthurium. Now here's a little story with this one. My husband ordered me a Monstera Deliciosa for our anniversary as an anniversary gift, and he ordered it from California. Now my anniversary is February 18th. So I live in the Midwest, and needless to say, it was freezing at that time. And what they did was they just wrapped the root ball in saran wrap and put it in a cardboard box and shipped it out. There was no heating pack that he paid for, no bubble, the little white styrofoam bubble, nothing. Needless to say, when it got here, it was frozen. So I cut the leaves off and I tried to just save the root, and I put it in water. Well, maybe a month later, a little leaf came out, a little, bud. So about 3 weeks ago, I put it in dirt. It was doing good. And then the last 2 days, it fell over like this. I don't know why. I don't know what happened. But hey, you win some, you lose some. On to the next one. This is my burgundy rubber tree. Here's one of those spider plants that I separated from the bigger plant. These are some outdoor cuttings that my mom had. She gave to me. Now see, this is one that she gave to me earlier in the year from her plant, and when it did really good. It started out looking like this, and then here we go. So maybe, and it's only been like 3 days, so maybe in a week we can come back and it'll be all plump and beautiful. Here is the other piece of that Monstera, and on this one it has a couple little buds growing on it. Here is a cutting of my Golden Dust. Here is my pink wandering Jew. Now, I got this maybe a month ago. It was in a 2-inch pot. It was standing up perfect, but because they are a trailing plant, she's starting to lean. So here's a cutting from my other philodendron. Now this one is another cutting. I had put it in water. It was beautiful roots. I planted it last week, and bada boom, bada bam. What is going on? I don't know. But this little cup I got from the thrift store for $1. I drilled some holes in it. It's a dog on it. Can't resist. Can't resist my little doggies. See? And this one I got the same day for $1. I did the same thing. I drilled some holes in it, and I planted this moonshine sansevieria in it. I don't know why that looks like it's brown, but it's not. It's green. Okay, my bedside table. Here's a sansevieria. I'm not a sansevieria. Girl, bye. I have another philodendron that I propagated from my mother plant. Here I have a purple heart. About a month ago I got it, and it was about in a 2-inch pot, and it has almost tripled in size. It's not so purple anymore because it's not getting enough sun, but nonetheless she's thriving. And over my bed I have this, I'm not sure of the name. I know it's silver something pothos. I'm not too sure of that name. And that one right there is another propagation of the philodendron I had. No, it's not. I'm sorry. That is the pothos that I just recently bought. That's a pothos. Trying to zoom in. Yeah. And this one is my neon pothos. I just got that yesterday. I spent $11 for it that I'm not happy about, but because I wanted it for so long, and it was the last one, so I was like, oh no, FOMO kicked in. So I know that I'm gonna kick myself in about a month when I can get it for like $5 from Walmart, but hey, YOLO. Okay, and my last one is this moonshine that's on my husband's side of the bed, and that one is called Little Lee, after my husband. He is gonna kill me for saying that. And there's my owl. Okay, so those are all my plants. I think I have around 30 house plants in here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said before, I'm a novice, and we will revisit this come the fall, and keep your fingers crossed. Hopefully I haven't killed any of them. Okay, thanks you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.